Good morning, it is Miss Sabine. I do some vlogging today for you guys. It is the Monday. Oh, excuse me. I cannot be bothered with the work this week, so I just say no come in for the whole week. I want to take some time off, so I no go in. I cannot be bothered. So today I go on the road trip. I go see my friend. So I hope you come along and just see what we get up to. I just go just now. I leave house. I drive to her house. I know I cannot do the vlogging in the car because cannot do the vlogging and the driving at the same time. You know, very nice. And also you get stopped by the police. They don't like when you do the vlog and you drive. So I see you at the other side when I get to my friend Lulu house. So I'll see you in a little while, guys. Okay, au revoir. I'll see you later. So guys, I get to my friend's house. She's not in. So the door open as always. So I just talked to the furry babies she has. So I think they look very, very nice to see me. They like my company. They like Sabina very much. As you see, I get plenty cases from them. They like very much. So I just talked to the Jacques. He likes Sabine. He talk. I know tell you what he say. Very, very rude. So so that was my day. Yesterday we talk, and he like to talk very, very much. Hello guys, it is a Tuesday. It's Sabine here once again. I do vlog all week for you since I no go to work. I tell you. Today I will be in the house. I now go to my friend's house today. I stay in. I do the housework with my friend, my Rook friend. I know show you guys before, but he called Carlos. He very, very friendly Rook. He my pet Rook for about 5 years. I see him in the street. He got a broken wing. I bring him in. So we best friends now. So today I just be vlogging the housework and he play with the Rook. So that is all for now. I show you him just now. He very, very shy. He may not want to play, but I show you. Here we go. He very, very friendly. Okay, here he is. He the Rook. I don't know where to stand, so you see him better. I'll give him he gave his Sabine kisses. He liked very much. Sometimes he tried to peck my eye. No, you bad boy, don't do that to Sabine. You know what happened last time? Okay, sometimes he very naughty. He like to pick my ears when they're dirty. Oh, no, please no. Come on, we are on the camera. You not do that on the camera. You behave. You be good boy. Okay? We maybe have a little dance. Me and we... Come on now. Oh, he make me very unhappy when he do this. He pick my teeth. He like to pick ears and the hair and... Oh, I don't know. So maybe we put the music on, we have a dance, and we maybe set him free in the living room. He like to fly about in the living room, so we do that. So I see you when I get the housework done, okay? Au revoir.
There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
You stay there, you be good for Sabine, or you know I take your feather out. You know, very nice boy. I don't like you very much, very more. Come on, you know you like Sabine when you need vodka. She very, very nice. You behave, you stay there for the vlog, you watch your Sabine. Hello? You catch me talk to cut. Well guys, I show you vlog for Monday, Tuesday. I was going to finish up, but I think I do you a hair tutorial at the end, just a quick one on how to get this look, this Sabine look. Very, very sexy. The partner like very, very much. You know, you hold on, okay. Too much information, I know, but he like very much. So I show you how I do it. Very simple. I take the glasses off and I take these up because it's so simple to do, you guys. You can do with your eyes closed. Excuse me, I've been very thirsty today. Oh, he's very, very nice. He Russian vodka. So, okay, we no need brush, we no brush hair. We just go straight to middle part. And I turn around to show part at the back. So we get this part in the middle. We want to go straight down, but I know it's not straight because... And you get the ponytail. I turn back, I don't know if you hear me, but I get the ponytail. You need the elastics, you need two, un, de. Okay, you tie hair, you put in, easy. The other side, so easy too. We go with the ponytail, we just stop there. And the hangouts, we clip with the clip here. It's so simple. It's so simple. This Sabine hairdo. So that is it. That is my hair done today. I go and have the rest of the day off because I'm very, very tired. I've been shouting and drinking at the Carlos because he knows him very good today. I show you back. Hairdo. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much. Okay, it's au revoir from me, and I shall see you all next in my my next vlog, maybe Thursday. Okay, au revoir. Mwah. Hey, bad boy. Come on now, Carlos. Oh, come on, you know. Stop it. Come on, you poke Sabine eye. No, you bad boy, no. You bad boy. You very bad boy.